This is AS Pure Maths. We're in Unit 6 Circle Geometry, and we're looking at example 2 in terms of our tangents to a circle. Find the length of the tangents from the point 84 to the circle centre 30 and radius 2. So I've drawn my circle here and I know the point 30 there is at the centre. If I pick a random point then 84, and I'm trying to find then the length of those tangents. So how those tangents look: there's one of them is going to go to here. This is my point 84. I've just kind of drawn it on. So there's one of the lengths. Where's the other tangent going to be? It's always going to be down the other side. And so it's those two things there, and we know from circle geometry at GCSE level that those two are the same length as each other, and that then is my point there. I also know that that distance there is 2 because my radius is 2, and obviously that distance there then is 2, and we kind of have a kite here. Those are the same length, those are the same length, and we can split that up then into two right angle triangles and see if I can find their distance then from there. Why is it a right angle? Because that's a radius and that's a tangent, so we have that information there. I'm going to call this distance D, and I'm going to call this distance L, and this is the distance L then as well. So we're trying to find the length of the tangent, so we're trying to find the L. We know that's 2. How can we work out this distance here? Well, we can use Pythagoras for that to find this one here, because we know these 2 points here, and use our distance formula to work that out. So D squared is going to be equal to, in fact, D, let's just leave it as D and we'll keep our square root sign in. D is going to equal the square root of the difference in the x squared, so it's 8 minus 3 all squared plus 4 minus 0 all squared. That gives me the square root of 5 squared plus 4 squared, and that gives me then the square root of 41. So our distance D then is the square root of 41. We can just kind of leave it like that, to be honest, because we don't need to square it up again whenever we're trying to find this. We're now just going to use Pythagoras theorem. We know that's root 41, we know that's 2, we can find our other length. So Pythagoras theorem states then that a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Make sure we get this the right way around now. Look at our distances. So let's go for L squared plus 2 squared is root 41 squared. L squared plus 4 is 41. L squared then is 37. I've just gone off the page, sorry about that. And L then is the square root of 37. If you wanted then the 3 significant figures, that's going to be 6.08. Again, if we were wanting to use this, or even kind of root 37 is a much nicer answer. But that's effectively us for that question.